There's Trike Santa.
551.
To another Creeber family vlog. It is the 24th of November. We are in Pershore for their annual Georgian Christmas market. Looking forward to it. We've just seen Santa as we're driving past.
On his trike.
On his trike, as you do. Pershore is a lovely Worcestershire village. They do a thing every summer called the Pershore Plum Festival, which is always good fun. But we're here for the Georgian market. We managed to get really lucky because the market is here and the car is just parked there. And otherwise we'd have had to have walked a long old way. But yeah, we got really lucky. We pulled it just as someone was pulling out. So yeah, it's all good. But yeah, here we go. Let's see what we can find. One of the things we wanted to come and see in about an hour, there's a performance of a couple of Greatest Showman songs, which is a big film in the Creeber family house. So yeah, looking forward to that. So this pub, the Angel, was voted best pub in Worcestershire.
Yeah.
Which actually beat, yeah, it might have been wider range than that, yeah. But it beat the Fleece in Bretherton and the Ligon Arms. Yeah. So yeah,
it is lovely.
It is a really nice pub, really nice pub. I still would say though that the Ligon Arms is better. It's not a pub, but
it's more expensive than Ligon Arms.
It is more expensive, but
it's still not cheap. But it's more.
Yeah, but I still think it will look nice when the Christmas lights are all turned on the high street. Have you seen
what's in there?
Nativity in there?
And Joseph's praying to God.
Oh, that's cool. She does like Daffy. No.
She's had to wear my hat because I've forgotten hats.
Hey baby, do you want me to have it? Yeah. You gonna do the carols as well? Yeah. Do you know what I just suddenly had a flashback to, Kim? Well, not a flashback, to the Christmas special, where they're putting the coins in the basket. It is like, we'll have to watch that when we get there.
I love that too.
It is a good one. And then next weekend we'll be in Harrods and we can jump back to Warbles. Not really, not for the amount they're going to cost. There's Trike Santa.
Where's Santa, Floss? Where's Santa? Should we go find him? Are you going to wave? Yeah.
551. Well,
wow, not long now.
Next time, we're going to have the mayor, Canon Clare Lording from our fine Abbey. Has anyone heard the new organ play in the Abbey? Well, if you hadn't heard the organ play, have you seen him because he's gone missing?
Oh, Santa! Where are you?
Santa!
You're not answering.
Can everyone just shout out, where's Santa?
Come on!
Where's Santa?
That man's got it easy. He can get right over the top of everyone. That's the dream.
We might find Santa. Who thinks that's a good idea? I think it's a very good idea. So what we're going to do now, this button here.
They're good fireworks, aren't they, Pops? Oh.
A baby? What, a baby? What, baby for Christmas?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage.
It's on there, I realise.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you waited for. Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't get what comes after. In the crown of the circus king, don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't get what comes after. It's fighting out, shining everything that you know. Just surrender, cause you're coming and you want to go. Where it's coming on a crowd of lights. Where the runaways are running the night. Impossible country, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show.
With me. You made me right, you made me wrong. Say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world
So come alive.
Here we go, Pershore, let's warm ourselves up a little bit.
I see it in your eyes. You believe that lie, but you need to hide your face. Afraid to step outside, so you lock the door, but don't you stay that way.
You're living in those shadows, you and me, we know how that goes.
'Cause one more, but when I stop and see you give, I remember who all this was for. From now on, these eyes will not be blinded by the lights. Home again. Let's take it down. And we will come back home. We will come back home again. Home in my heart.
And then it seems to be through the whole time. Look at her.
Right now,
Enjoyed it, Rob? Yes, good.
We are going to be
That's
at
his
a
fifth costume.
Christmas party with you at about 7:30. So get your dancing shoes on.
Oh, Flossie's just
We know
spotted the
you've done them
camera.
already. You've got them already, yes, yeah, and the singing voices. I just wanted to say thank you all for coming down this evening and supporting.
Are you going to sing it, Pups? Have you seen all the words? I know, she's such a
I'm
teenager.
not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. Learn to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, 'cause no one will love you as you are. But won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we are glorious. Something's worth when it cuts me down. Gonna set it burn, gonna drown the night. On the fireplace.
Another Santa sleigh. Oh, this is the round table one. That was really good, that Great Showman show. Poppy absolutely loved it. Yeah, really enjoyed it. It's definitely quieting down the market. which is good because it was pretty hectic. This is where we were stood watching the carolers earlier, so yeah, it's definitely quieted down. Hopefully it's not too dark, but we're heading back now. We've had a really good time. The Great Showman was really good.
Oh, it was so good. Yeah, it was really good. I think that's the first year they've done the Georgian.
Yes,
Christmas
yeah,
market.
since Georgian times.
Yeah, so yeah, it was really lovely, and the abbey's all lit up. So yeah, it's lovely, lovely atmosphere.
Yeah, really nice. We're heading back now. We've got many more vlogs coming up on the channel, so please like and subscribe so you get notified when we upload them. But yeah, from us, Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.